Hey guys, this is a 2010 Outback. I'm gonna show you guys how to take all these moldings off. We'll do the rears first, and then I'll show you guys how to do the fronts. Front's a little more complicated and more work than the rears are. There's a little clip behind here. Let me see if I can. I don't know if the camera guy can see it, but I can get in here and pull it out and show you guys exactly what to do. I can explain it, but I think it would be better if I pull it off here and then explain to you guys how to see. I'm twisting this. There's one more back here. Okay, so got it out. You see this, guys, right here? When you put your screwdriver down here, you're pushing down this pin that slides into here. So it's almost at the edge over here. Same thing for the front. You know, on the Foresters, this is built the other way. So you come in from the back side like this and just push up and the molding slides up. On these, you gotta kind of just get behind here and push these guys down. Pushes once you push it, you'll hear the click, and then just pull up on it, and it will come out. Very simple. You can clean them, maybe you got broken seals or whatever. Then they go back on very easy. Usually, what I do is like line up the back hole, make sure you're getting in the groove, and then the front, make sure you line up in the front, and it will. That's it, really, for the left rear door.